Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is done with a pen, pencil, whatever you like, magic marker, crayon, and a piece of paper or clay tablet, wax cylinder, whatever you like to write on. And the idea here is to pick a form that you have. I actually do this with my warm-ups as well, but here I'm just kind of thinking of the form. It's probably most accessible. Maybe you're going to start with a written list of your form, right? Maybe the one that your teacher handed out to you as a Xerox or emailed you or something or posted as a PDF. Maybe print that out. And the idea is to write either in the margins or as a separate document, whatever, but write down the primary principles of the movements in order. Not every principle that happens, right? You could probably just cut and paste all the Tai Chi principles for every move. But the primary principle involved in the expression of the teaching of that particular posture, that move, that jin. Like, why do we do this move? What is going on? What's the main thing to convey here? So, what are the primary principles for each move? Make that a list. Maybe it's just one for a particular move. Maybe it's six for another move. Maybe the same primary principle repeats itself over and over and over, and that's an emphasis that your teacher made and that you believe in, and that's fine. But having this kind of list of the form of what the primary principles are rather than just the names can kind of shift for you. Like, what is, from a pedagogical sense, like, what is it that is getting taught in what order and why? Does this order make the most sense? Or does the thing I learned in step 5 properly supported by what I learned in steps 1 through 4? So it's a very interesting way to view it, I find. So remember, without principles, we're unprincipled people. That doesn't sound too great. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.